So quick video here to figure out what number is between 1/2 and 5/8. So exactly halfway between. It's a bit of a pain to do this, so stick with me. So what we can do is we can take 1/2 plus 5/8 over 2, and that'll give us our answer. So let's think of it as two problems. We need to add these two fractions, and then we'll divide by 2. So let's move this over. And we could write this like this. Instead of 1/2, let's call that 4/8. It's still 1/2, right? But now we can add that to 5/8, and we have the same denominator down there, 8. So we can just add 4 plus 5, and then put that over 8, and that's the fraction. And remember, this is all divided by 2. So we end up with 9/8 over 2. And remember, the 9/8 came from 4/8 plus 5/8. That's our 9/8. So you could rewrite this as 9/8 times 1/2. We'll take the reciprocal of 2, that's 1/2. So we could call it 9/8 times 1/2. And then when we do that, we get 9 times 1 is 9. 8 times 2 is 16. And that's our final answer, 9/16. So the number exactly halfway between 1/2 and 5/8, that's going to be 9/16. And we did that by adding these together and then dividing by 2. That's it. I hope this helped. This is Dr. B. Thanks for watching.